welcome back 40 Pointers, and thanks for watching. Before we start, please don't use any household cleaning products. They will only leave nasty residues on your equipment and ruin your homebrew. There are lots of cleaning chemicals out there, but this is the ones that I use. Sodium bicarbonate for cleaning, Chemasan for sanitizing, washing up gloves, a chemical resistant 1 litre spray bottle, digital kitchen scales, safety glasses, a sponge or cloth, but please don't use anything like a Brillo pad, any type of plastic cup or tall plastic container, a jug, I use this 5 litre one, and a plastic plate. Check your packet, but most sodium bicarbonate no-rinse sanitizers need 25 grams to 5 litres of water. These types of cleaners are effective for up to 1 hour. Now pour your 25 grams into your fermenter and then add 5 litres of hot water. Give it all a good stir, then put your lid on and leave for 2 to 3 minutes. Wearing your gloves and safety glasses, give the inside of your fermenter a good clean, making sure you cover all the internal surfaces, including both sides of your lid. You can now give the plastic cup a clean if you wish, then fill this with a solution and set aside. Now clean your hydrometer and thermometer end and put into your solution. We do this as we don't want the hydrometer to break or the thermometer electrics to get wet in the fermenter. If you're using a wine thief, give this a good clean and put it on a sanitized plate. Clean the rest of your equipment in your fermenter. Do not leave in any glass, etc. You can now fit your lid securely. Put your finger over the grommet hole and give it all a good shake. This is to cover every surface inside, but be careful as you may get some spillage. Then leave for 15 minutes. Even though they say on the packet no rinse, you'll want to rinse in cold water, as this will remove any residues. Chemasan is a direct replacement for Starzan. It is an acid sanitizer that is self-foaming and an excellent sanitizer for manual application. It can be kept in a spray bottle for up to 2 weeks, but check with the pH strips that they are 3 or below. Dilute 2 milliliters of Chemasan into 1 litre of cold water into your spray bottle and give it a good shake. Always wear safety glasses and gloves when using this product. Do not mix Chemasan with any chlorinated cleaners, as chlorine gas will result. You can now spray all of your equipment, making sure you cover all the surfaces. Then put your equipment onto your plastic plate. Leave on your equipment for a minimum of 2 minutes, preferably to air dry if required, but do not rinse off this product. You are now all set to immediately make your brew. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for future videos. Stay safe.